unfortunately.
So, why is color so important? I'd like to know kasi, ito yung expertise niya sa color.
Sige.
Yeah,
About yung colors, babalikan natin si Agnes kasi mag-break muna tayo. So kung meron kayong katanungan na or comments, 4001 or sa FEMEWAL or sa Filipino Rhythm Dubai 103.8, babalik pa kami.
This morning on the Business Breakfast. The Business.
You cannot say that Spain was irresponsible with its economic policies simply because it wasn't.
How can you possibly say that, Marius Maratheftis? Because, I mean, this is a Spanish market. This is the property market in Spain. People came in and bought Spanish property. Everybody else bought into this. This is not an imported problem for Spain.
No, it's not a bubble that was created by the Spaniards. If there was no incredibly cheap cash flooding Spain, the bubble would not have occurred.
The Banter.
Why is gold so yellow? Maybe it's guilt.
Which has taken an award for the worst joke either of us have given.
Okay,
what lies on the
Lucy-
bottom of the ocean and shakes? A shipwreck.
You're getting the shipwreck, nervous wreck thing wrong.
I've got a good one to finish off on. 2 elephants and a cymbal fall off a cliff. Boom.
Touché! Brilliant.
And tomorrow, we'll be taking a look at what's happening on local stock markets with David Varghese from Emirates MBD Asset Management. The UAE's most popular morning show, The Business Breakfast, featuring Malcolm Taylor and Brandy Scott. Weekday mornings from 6. Powered by Dubai Investments, Standard Chartered Bank, and Budget Rent-A-Car.
The International Coffee and Tea Festival redefines the region's coffee and tea industry, incorporating the UAE's most prestigious coffee competitions and feature zones such as the Espresso and Brew Bar, the Tasty Zone and the Cafe Exchange. Be there to network and grow your business, buy or sell, discover franchising opportunities or maybe learn how to set up your own cafe. It all comes together from the 30th of October to the 2nd of November at the Meydan Grandstand and Convention Centre. Call 0433555001 or visit coffeeteafest.com for more info.
Tomorrow is chasing new adventures and following them everywhere.
Oras alas 11:04.
Say hello to the experience of a lifetime, 1,000 miles from anywhere. Visit Emirates.ae. Fly Emirates. Hello tomorrow.
Filipino Rhythm, brought to you by Alansari Exchange. Now you can deposit your labor guarantees quick and easy with Alansari Exchange.
Magandang gabi po, kayo po ay nakikinig sa programang Filipino Excellence in the Middle East. Sa mga nag-tune in pa lang ngayon, ang topic po natin is getting the job with the right clothes. Meron po tayong dalawang experts dito. Isa si Lou Parroco, isang Global HR Manager, at isa naman si Agnes Aquino Briggs, isang Image Consultant. Agnes, yung kanina, yung before tayo nag-break, about colors, why are colors very important?
Colors is a very important tool in conveying your message. For example, but before we do that, I'd just like to define the color analysis. Why is this very important? Color analysis is the art of determining the best colors that will make you look good, you look healthy, you look glowing, because based on your skin tone and your hair and the color of your eyes. Now, most Asians are actually warm. The Filipinos, we are warm. Some and half of the population is probably warm and cool combination. So it's very safe. You can wear warm and cool. But when you're wearing the right colors, you look good. Your wrinkles or your imperfections are not very prominent. Hindi sila masyadong kita. When you smile, you look healthy, young, and you look glowing. Kung minsan, halimbawa, may suot ka, tapos sabi mo, ay, ang ganda mo ngayon. Parang you look young today. That's because you're wearing the right color. Yeah, and actually, you don't notice it. But when you attend my workshops, I teach you how to determine whether you are a warm color person or you're cool. So warm colors are the yellow base, like yung orange, mustard, yellow.
Warm colors yun.
Warm colors yun. Yung cool colors naman ay yung mga blue, gray,
bluebird,
black, magenta. Yeah, but
magenta is
but yes,
cool color.
Yeah, cool color. So there are people who look good in warm and people who look good in
cool color.
Cool color. But now, if you're not sure, combine mo na lang yung warm and cool. Yeah. So it's very important. The way that it happens is that when you put something near your face, the color reflects upwards on your face.
All right.
So it lightens up your face. If you're wearing the wrong color, it casts shadows around your eyes, and all the imperfection in your face will show. So that's why it's very important for you to
know
to
which
know
color,
which
which-
colors. And also, when you go shopping, if you know the right colors for yourself, makakatipid kayo because eventually you'll be wearing buying the right colors, and you look good every day.
That's true.
Yeah, and also you can actually balance your figure through colors. Like for example, if your body shape is
Pear shape.
pear shape, for example,
Pear shape meaning medyo malaki pababa from the hips up.
from the hips. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Mukhang pear.
Yeah. So you can balance kung saan yung mas malaki, darker colors.
Okay.
Yeah, kung saan yung so tone it down.
So si El, anong color si El?
Hindi tayo ang pinag-uusapan
Sorry.
dito.
Di ba, sige, anong color sa kanya?
Tawa si Daddy Blue. O, tignan mo na mula.
For actual, anong color sa kanya?
Di, syempre, mabibisto na ako kung ano akong shape.
Anything but body fit.
Basta, I'm more for yellow color.
The warm colors.
Yes,
Yes, it will
kasi,
flatter
yeah.
you. Yeah.
Sige,
Pareho kami ng kulay ni
mag-special session ka na. Sige,
Mag-special session,
tuloy
yeah.
natin.
So,
Pero yung katawan ng Filipina, yung mga anong, di ba standard, mga
Depende.
petite sila eh. Ano dapat na color?
okay.
Asians na Davis.
This is one of the things na I teach yung mga kabayan natin. Kasi lahat naman tayo gusto natin mas matangkad ng konti, di ba?
Para
mas
tumangkad.
matangkad.
Oh.
Gusto nating mas matangkad, mas
Yes,
slimmer.
mas payat,
So
opo.
you can use colors. This is when we do the body analysis. We study your body and we classify them into like rectangular, rounded, triangle, inverted triangle, or
Coke original,
or
Coke
curvy.
Coke can, or Coke litro, or Coke 1.5.
Hourglass is the perfect one, so we all
Hourglass,
achieve to. Your goal in doing the body analysis is to make you look balanced through the use of clothing styles and color. So we advise you, like for example, your shape is triangle, your hips is bigger, so you should use colors that are darker on the hips, the lower one, and then lighter colors for your upper, your tops. Yeah. So for example, you have a short neck, so you do buy some V-neck or scoop neck. Wag yung turtleneck, high neck. Kasi mas lalo kang
emphasize siya.
Yeah. So if you have long legs, then accentuate your long legs. If you have short legs naman, if you have short torso, then do not use like hipster. You can use hipster, or it depends on your scale and proportion. So we also study your scale and proportion.
So body, pala yan, analysis.
We have body analysis. And also, when you go for an interview, do not use printed dress. Kasi masyado magulo diba? And it's not very corporate.
Kaya,
Yeah.
oo. So, dapat talaga.
So other things I just like to remind you, I just like to go back to what to avoid, during the interviews are clothing with large and wild prints, loud and jungling jewelry. Like for example, you're doing something, tapos clang clang clang. It really distracts. Excessive makeups.
Excessive makeup.
Yeah.
With the false eyelashes.
Yeah. Grabe.
Uso kasi yan.
Yes.
But Miss Agnes, if I may add, I think I've seen many Filipinos when they attend interviews, wala po talagang makeup. So, no excessive, but at the same time, wala namang yung walang-wala.
So, pale masyado.
Yes. So, it has at least minimum.
That's one thing I'm trying to emphasize, and also on my sessions, that it's very important, not just wearing the right clothing, wearing the right colors, but even if you're wearing all those, if you don't have makeup, you will not look polished at all.
So, kailangan talagang may makeup.
The look is not complete. Kulang talaga. So, it's really very important for you to look after yourself. Because if you look after yourself, then, you come across like you're going to look after anything that you do. Yeah, like the company. So, you have to put on makeup. Also, you have to avoid too much perfume. Yeah, and just like what I said, the nails, not too long, just and not too bright colors on nail polish.
I'd like to take you on that, Miss Agnes. So go back to Miss Lou, no? Meron kang mga case studies na ganito na during the interview, merong mga na-interview ka na talagang ganito ang mga sitwasyon?
Oh yes.
May mga jungly
very common po.
Paano pala yan? Let's say, highly qualified siya, may mga competency siya sa job, pero weird yung baro. Paano
not only yung baro, as I'm saying, yung mga accessories, perfume, share with us.
Ano yung mo niyan? Anong take mo diyan?
So, parang if we feel that competency-wise, you have it, but then on your personality, parang hindi po nag-harmonize yung nababasa namin. So instead that we could immediately make a decision right there and then, napapahaba pa yung screening process because we will not certainly settle for you immediately. We'll have to see more candidates kasi kung mayroon kami makikita more moderate, both ways, why not? Diba? Rather than going with extremes, extremely good but then personality is extremely naman loud, then
so count na yung perfume?
Well, it's too strong. Nababasa ko nga, di ba? Minsan, tips on how to really maximize yung scent na gamit mo. Sabi nila, as you get out of the shower, pagtawal mo na, immediately mag-spray ka na ng scent mo, no? So, it will give daw a stronger and a more long-lasting effect. But when you attend an interview, let's try to avoid doing that. Kasi yung scent mo will come too strong, eh. At talaga po nakakahilo.
You have experience on
kahit
those.
nakakawili pa po kayong kausapin, kung hinilo mo na po kami as interviewers sa amoy mo, wala na. But then I would like also to compliment anyway. This is a credit to Filipinos. Kasi yung contrary po nito, yun naman yung may mga body odor, di ba? Filipinos naman sobra tayong mabango.
Yes.
Maachi ka palagi.
We're really good at that, pero pwede lang natin itone down sa proper occasions, ano?
Yes.
Pero mayroon din po sadly yung mga obviously hindi nagkikip ng good hygiene kasi may mga body odors. But I think that can be something can be done, right? I mean, good shower, thorough brushing of
preparation
teeth, and deodorants and all, So again, that's preparation. So I think, and again, sorry if I have to bring this up because truly this is a frustration that I carry in my heart when I go to companies, big names ng companies, but then when you go around, makikita mo yung I'm very particular with how my fellow Filipinos look.
Yes, of course. Yes.
Most of our ladies would go on to office wearing the sandals kasi di ba sa atin nauso yung pasandal-sandals lang, flip-flops, that's how we call it. Then minsan sleeveless na pang hindi mo maintindihan, pang tulog ba ito, pang beach or something. But because they feel that's trendy, and yes, they're sexy, they look good. Hindi ko po sinasabi kasi envious ako, hindi ako sexy. Well, I mean, I think that the very tip here is, the key word here is actually appropriateness.
Yes.
So let's dress up appropriately, sa kung anong okasyon. I think I got this, if I may put in, my grandfather actually used to tell me, I only had one single Sunday dress, single, at isa lang po Sunday dress. So I said, again, Sunday comes, church time, so I'll have to wear again. Can I wear at least shorts? When I was a little girl, I said, no. You have to wear, if you only have this appropriate clothes for church, you have to wear this every Sunday. You cannot go, So shorts is for park, shorts is for playground. So then I carried, and truly that's professionalism.
Yes.
Professionalism.
So appropriate is the appropriate term.
Exactly.
So babalikan pa natin uli si Lou tapos si Agnes sa mga tips pa. Marami na mga nag-text dito. So break muna kami tapos tatawagan natin yung Apo, si Nick Atienza regarding sa recipient ng 7 wheelchairs.
DubaiI1038.com for everything you want from the UAE's only award-winning talk radio station.
Your Emirates ID questions answered. We continue the battle against bullying and find out how to prepare for Diamond Jubilee.
Visit DubaiI1038.com now to get the lowdown on these stories, as well as the latest news, reviews, features, and sport.
covering the multi-billion-dollar industry of beauty care from across the globe. Beauty World Middle East is back. It's not just